If you tell me you've done this, no, you haven't, stop it. Let's make some carne asada bites. We're going to start off with a thin cut of arrachera, cut it up into some pieces, get it all seasoned and ready for the grill. Then we're going to take some yellow onions, cut out a little wedge, make them look like little Pac-Mans, and put it into a pot of boiling water until they're soft. Then take your meat and your chiles out to the grill. Whatever kind of grill you use is totally up to you. I prefer charcoal. If you want to use a gas grill, that's totally fine. Cook the meat to the temperature it is that you want. Make sure your chiles are nice and toasty. Then get your onions separated so that you can make all these tiny little onion cups. Then you're going to take some of that meat and a chile and you're going to cut it up into some tiny little pieces. Then you're going to grab one of those onion cups and you're just going to stuff it. You're going to add some meat, a little bit of chile, and a little bit of cheese. I'm using Chihuahua. Use whatever kind of cheese you'd like. Then just roll it up into a little ball and continue that process until you get them all done. Add a little bit more seasoning, spray the pan with a little bit of oil, then just set them all in there until that cheese gets nice and melty. And guys, literally, that is it. Add some limon and devour them in one bite.